Ever sent money home and wondered where did it go? Fees, hidden charges, poor exchange rates. Sometimes you transfer, let's say $100, and your family gets $85. And you don't even get me started on bank approvals abroad. Documents, identity crisis, multiple forms feels like running a marathon just to move your own money. And there's taxes. Filing from overseas, a nightmare. Miss one detail and you could vote thousands just like that. Even paying your rent or utilities abroad can feel impossible. It's like the system is designed to stress you out. NRIs live with this chaos every single day. And that's exactly why NRI Buzz exists. We break it down, we make it simple so you don't have to fight the system alone.